Welcome to Draw with Bunny. Today we are going to draw a very cute spider with a spider web. So let's get started. In the first step, I will draw its cute spider web. For that, I will draw a plus sign, a straight line, and then a line crossing it like this. Try to make these of the same size. Now I will draw a diagonal line that will cross the middle area. Follow along. Just like this. Now I will draw another diagonal line that will also cross the central area. Just like this, a diagonal line crisscrossing the central part. Now in the next step, I will draw some curved lines. These will be curving inwards towards the center and connecting these lines together. Just like this, curved lines curving inward facing the center. Here we go. The first layer is now ready. Now I will add another layer. A curved line going inward. Now I will add the last layer. Follow along. Curved line facing towards the center and curving inward. Now our spider web is ready. In the second step, I will draw the body of the spider. First of all, I will extend this line in a straight line like this, with which our spider would be hanging. Now I will draw, for the spider body, I will draw an oval shape, just like this. Our body is now complete. Now in the third step, I will make its cute face. For the eyes, I will draw two circles. Here's the first one, and then right next to it, the second one. Now in between these eyeballs, I will draw two smaller circles. From the edge, a circle like this and a smaller circle like this. Now again repeating the step. From the edge, a bigger circle and then a smaller circle. Now let's fill the empty spaces. Now I will add a laughing smile on our cute spider. A straight line like this, letter U, and then a curved line for the tongue. Our cute face is now ready. Now in the fourth step, I will draw its cute 8 legs. From the sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from this side again, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here we go. Now I will make my drawing a bit more prominent and I will fast forward this step. Let's color our cute spider. For the spider, I will be using dark gray color. And for his cute tongue, I will be using bright red color. Our cute spider is now ready. See you in the next video with another cute drawing. Bye bye.